Hey! Last week we had Jason speaking about the ease of learning in GibScam. My name is Jerry, and I'm a member of Jason's team. I would like to speak about comprehensiveness today, and what it means to use GibScam within a heterogeneous shop floor environment, using different cutting technologies from different machine tool vendors. One of the major benefits of using GibScam is that it enables you to program all your cutting machines within just one software solution. Doesn't matter if you have to program simple automatic lathes, 3 to 5 axis milling machines, complex multi-channel mill turn centers, and sliding headstock lathes. Everything can be done in one single user interface. And with the add-on options, it's even possible to extend the range to specialized applications like tombstone manufacturing, on-machine probing and more. One software to program all of your machines means less training, more flexibility, higher team skills. If you are not using GibScam yet, give it a try. Visit our homepage to request your free trial license.